Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up auto-delete for messages in Telegram step by step. If you've ever worried about old messages piling up, or simply want to keep your chats tidy and private, this quick guide will help you enable auto-delete for all new chats with just a few taps. By the end, you'll know how to make sure your messages never stick around longer than you want. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Telegram app. You'll want to make sure you're on the home screen where you see your chat list, but if you're already deep inside a conversation, just back up to the main page. Now, depending on your device, you're going to look for the menu. This is typically those three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Go ahead and tap that, or if you don't see the menu icon, look for your settings option, which may be at the bottom right if you're on an iPhone. From this menu, you're going to tap on Settings. Take a moment here, it's tempting to rush, but Settings is where all your privacy and customization options live, so it's good to get familiar. Now scroll until you see Privacy and Security. Tap into that section. This is where Telegram stores all the controls that help you keep your chats safe and under control. Now here's the important part. Look for auto-delete messages. This can take a second to spot, especially with all the different options available in privacy and security, so take your time. When you find it, tap on it. This feature is really powerful because once you set an auto-delete timer, Telegram will automatically wipe messages in new chats after your chosen time frame. Speaking of timeframes, the next screen will give you a few options. Typical ones are 24 hours, 7 days, and sometimes a custom period, depending on what Telegram has made available. Pause and think about your needs here. Do you want your messages to vanish after a day, or does a week make more sense for you? For example, if you're chatting about something sensitive, 24 hours might be perfect. If your conversations are more laid back, maybe you want your messages around for a week before they disappear. Pick the default timer that suits you by just tapping on your choice. And that's it. Now, every new chat you start will have this auto-delete feature turned on by default. Just a heads up, this won't affect your existing chats or groups, only the ones you open after setting this up. If you need to turn it off or change the timer later, you can always come back to privacy and security in your settings and adjust it as needed. It's easy and you're always in control. This small but handy feature helps keep your conversations fresh and your privacy protected without any extra effort on your part. Think of it like having an automatic spring cleaning for your texts. You'll never have to worry about old messages sticking around longer than they should. I hope this quick tutorial helped you get set up and understand the benefits of auto-delete in Telegram. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and if you've got any questions or want to share your experience, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical, easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.